Silly when I said you're raising.
Yeah.
Now tap again. Just tap and walk. Perfect. Perfect. You want to try jogging?
Yeah.
After this. Keep walking. Just give your side eye to Bhairav. Look there. Look there. It's okay. Call him.
Baru, come.
Start walking ulta.
Good boy. Come.
No,
Sorry,
no repeat.
again.
Don't repeat command. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, before we cover the Chaurasta, okay, we'll cover that. I want to take him again over there and tell him nothing to be scared of. So basically, he saw that animal, he got scared, and he ran away. He wasn't confident enough that we can take care of him. Probably the reason would be we were very far. We didn't notice or anything. No. Shh. This barking is just to alert the entire pack that there is something I'm scared of.
Okay.
And he is directing towards that. Stop him.
Should I say no?
Yes, and call him.
Baru.
It's okay, you don't go. Okay. Multiple mistakes.
Yeah.
First, you repeated command.
Yeah.
Second, you got worried. Third, since we both are together, let's divide the teamwork.
Okay.
If I'm taking care of the traffic, you take care of the dog. If I'm taking
Okay.
care of the dog, you take care of the traffic.
Okay.
And everything else. One of us will make sure he's on dog. I would ask you to take care of the dog because
Okay.
you are in the learning curve. Everything
Okay.
else I'll take care.
Okay.
Okay. So, and you got anxious, you got worried, and you were also scared. I'm assuming you were scared that he'll run off. Where
yeah,
you?
when he saw the animal, he was running
Yes.
away back
Yes.
pretty fast.
So it's your job to give confident. Abhi aap anxious हुए. You got a little worried. He is thinking you got worried because of that animal. You have just
Okay.
confirmed his fear.
Okay.
I think we spoke about this earlier.
Yeah, about the kid.
Yes,
and-
same thing. Right.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go till Chaurasta and come back.
Okay.
And that time we'll make sure that he'll getting over the fear.
Uh-huh.
Guys, by the way, if you're thinking that we don't have any safety precautions and we are doing this, you're wrong. Okay? Everything is under control. We know if the dog runs away, how to stop him, who will stop him. We have our team members around to make sure that the dog is safe.
Baru.
Again.
Baru. Come. Good boy.
We'll take off a U-turn near the pole because
Okay,
I
yeah.
don't want to introduce him to the traffic.
No. Yeah.
Call him.
Baru. Come.
Walk.
Good boy.
Okay. Coming to the next important thing you need to know. One of the reasons could be, the reason Bhairav was so calm while walking away from the houses because this is a new territory for him.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Now that we are walking towards the house, his speed might increase. Cause he knows the way to home might increase.
Yeah, I've noticed that yesterday.
If any fear is there, he might try to flight mode where he wants to just run away. So when a dog is scared, there is flight mode and fight
mode.
right? So he is mostly into a flight mode, what I have noticed right now.
Okay.
Right? So in that flight mode, he would like to run away toward the house.
Mm-hmm.
It will be our job to give him confidence. So what we are going to do is yell loudly Bhairav, eye contact, no, come.
Okay.
3 commands. You can call him. Acha, he's coming. Forget. Okay, we have the opportunity. Come. I'm gonna hold his leash for this. No. Shh. 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 Walk. Shh. 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 Good. Good boy. Chalo, walk. So basically what we are trying to do is very simple. He is scared of that thing. He doesn't know what that thing is. We know it's a particular animal, a cattle, which doesn't affect him.
Right.
But he doesn't know, so he's scared.
Yep.
So I am putting him in that situation, what he is scared of again and again, and telling him nothing to be worried about.
Right.
This entire process is called desensitization.
Okay.
I'm desensitizing him with something he is scared of.
Okay.
Where walk. Now, there is no way I can tell or anybody can tell how much time will it take Bhairav to get over the fear. एक बार करने से नहीं होगा या होगा.
Okay.
Nobody can tell. It's
Right.
completely up to Bhairav.
Right. Okay.
He needs to get the confidence. But definitely stop running away.
Yeah, I can see some change.
I'm not even holding him as strong as I did on the first time.
I think
Good
now
boy.
he's curious.
Yes, that's the reason I rewarded it. He's curious and we are rewarding it. So first time जब वो डर के भागा ना, वो सोचा भी नहीं ये क्या है, what it is, he just ran. Now when we are giving him the opportunity to observe, notice, he is understanding, okay. If that thing does that one more time, we are stopping this process.
Okay.
Because she is also getting
She
threatened.
is also anxious here.
Yes. चल. Now, Bhairav, keep him beside you, please. Call him beside you. The reason he is going away is he is still unsure.
Yeah. But at least he's not running away.
Yes. Because he's at least understood that cattle is not gonna harm him or anything.
Yeah.
Good boy. Call him.
Bhairav.
10 seconds again.
Bhairav. Come. Good boy.
Okay. Right now what we did is that water glass example which I keep telling you.
Uh-huh.
Right?
Was I late
We
again?
need to increase the obedience because if he is continuously not obeying us, then we need to increase the obedience, which we will do eventually.
Okay.
So there's something to add to the checklist and later cover it up. No. No. Chalo. Slow. No. Good. So the same thing. I wanted to make sure मैं no बोला वो सुने.
हाँ.
मैं 2 वक्त no बोला वो नहीं सुना. I made a new sound of the clap
Okay.
to disrupt his thinking process and then get his
Attention.
obedience on me or attention on me right now. Yes. Shh, slow. Shh, come here. Guys, this is only the second session with Bhairav for his leash walking. In his entire life, this is his 4th session of training with us, and this is what we have achieved so far. There is a long way to go, but I love the progress.
No.
Like I said, घर आते गए जैसा, he is becoming fast. Don't stop. घर आते गए जैसा, he is becoming fast.
Yeah.
So we are gonna step on the leash more and more. That is a subtle way of telling what he is doing is wrong.
Okay.
Again. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Don't run. Don't change your energy.
कल भी वहाँ पे यही कर रहा था.
हाँ.
He literally kind of rushed to the house.
That's what. Slow.
Good we are doing this. I completely missed about telling you about that. कि वापस ही में home run he was very fast.
Now you understand why. Because he just wants to go to a secure place as soon as possible. अगर थोड़ा भी उसके दिमाग में डाउट आ रहा है, he just wants to rush off to the safest place he knows. No. He did the same thing because of the fire. How was he around barbecue yesterday?
He was completely fine. Campfire भी लगाया तो he was just loitering around, sitting there. He's not scared of fireworks also.
Oh, nice. Very important.
Yeah.